Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who do not know me, I am Shinjini Roy Chaudhary and I make fashion, beauty and lifestyle related videos on my channel.
Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love.
So as we all know, a few days back the Indian government has banned 59 Chinese apps which included some of the very popular shopping apps like Shein, Romwe, Clap Factory. Shein was personally my favorite because of the very affordable and trending clothing, accessories and room decor items that were available there. So I know it's a very sad moment for all of us girls, but as they say, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है and it's time we move on. So in this video I'm going to show you a list of 12 shopping apps or websites from where you can buy trending clothing, accessories and home decor items at a very affordable rate. So if you're interested to know what are these 12 apps and websites, then please keep on watching. So before I start with the video, first disclaimer is that I have not bought items from all of these apps or websites. Some of these are also new to me, which I kind of came across in the last few weeks or last few months, but I could not place my order because of the entire lockdown situation. But I do plan on ordering stuff and I have items selected in my wish list. And also before making this video, I have gone through a lot of reviews about these websites or apps which are already present in Google, and also other YouTubers have made videos regarding this. So I am very sure and I can guarantee that all these are really authentic websites and apps, and you are going to get quality products. So the first app that I'm going to suggest is Lulu and Sky. So it is an Indian brand and I have seen a lot of popular Indian fashion bloggers promoting the clothing items or accessories from this particular brand, and they look stunning in the pictures. So next up is this brand called Eva Young. Now they do not have an app as of now, they are only available online on the website, and this is one of those brands which I stumbled upon on Instagram because one of the sponsored posts came on my feed, and then I went to the website and I was completely impressed by the amazing trending designs that they have. I'm one of those girls who love wearing really nice crop tops and really nice prints, shoulder tops and short skirts and stuff like that, then you are totally going to love this. Next is this brand called Urbanic. So they have an app as well. So the good thing about this brand is that they have a wide extensive range of clothing items, like starting from pajamas to dresses to jumpsuits to shorts, blazers, quads, everything you're going to find here. So next up is this brand called Coops, and this is a popular brand already. Most of you might already be knowing because this is not anything new. It is there in the market for at least the last 5-6 years, if not more. Next app is like one of the most popular shopping apps that is there right now, which is Myntra, of course. I think Myntra has to be my favorite because you do not only get all kinds of clothing items, not only western wear but also ethnic wear. I really like the kurta sets that are available in Myntra. I have bought them all. My mom has bought them. We both love them. So the next app is Nykaa Fashion. So Nykaa, all of us girls must already be knowing, is a very popular beauty products app, and now that same brand has come up with another app which is exclusively for clothing items. Some of the products, I will tell you, have such beautiful design that it kind of screams that designer wear or luxury sort of vibe. So you get all such products in this app as well, so please do check it out. The next app that I will suggest is Zivame. Zivame is a lingerie app. Basically it does not only sell lingerie but also activewear, sleepwear, and they have really cute items. I'll just show you. I have bought a few products from here, 1 or 2 lingerie items before, and I have also gotten activewear from here, and I have loved the quality. The sizing is perfect, like the size chart which is available here is exactly what you receive in the product. Next up is this brand called Mizamore. Now Mizamore does not have an app, it is only available on their website. I have shopped from Mizamore as well, and I have always loved their products. I've been following Mizamore like from the beginning, like when the website had just launched and there were all the Indian popular bloggers and influencers kind of promoting the items. Next up is this very popular app H&M. So H&M is available everywhere. We also have stores for H&M. They have their website, they have their app, and we already know that H&M has a really good collection. It is also pretty popular. It's Forever 21. So even F21 has their own website and they are available in stores as well. And one of the best things is that they have online discounts more than the store discounts. So you will be notified whenever they are having their online discount. Of course, we have Zara. So Zara, I will not say is completely affordable, but it's not a high end as well. I think they have items which are medium range. So every kind of fashion or print that is trending right now, you are definitely going to find on Zara. So for the last one, I will suggest itsybitsy.com. So this is not a clothing website, it is only for home decor and craft items. I have gone through this website and I have bought some small stationery and home decor items for myself as well very recently, and I think they have really quality products and they are very affordable. Also, though we have covered our list of 12 apps or websites, I will obviously suggest you Amazon. Amazon is one shop destination once again where you not only get home decor items. The one over here, this Good Vibes light box, I have actually got from Amazon, and they also have clothing and accessories. So that was my list of 12 apps or websites for online shopping that you should definitely check out. And please let me know in the comments down below if you wish for me to make a separate haul video or on any of these apps or websites that I just mentioned, and I would completely love to do it. If you like this video or found it helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and do follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.